Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to show from the challenge tutorial, which is this one is the last video. We have two more prior of this video. The first one is creating this valve body, and then the second one creating all those components here. And now we are going to put things all together into an assembly, and then also we are going to have the exploded view, and then we would like to animate those assemblies. Okay, now I'm showing you this all of this component, and then all of this body we would like to assemble. First thing first, I would like to assembly this one join command, which is there is so many join here, and then I would use the component one. Component one is should be the moving component, and then the component 2 should be the stationary component. So if I like to hover my mouse here, and as you can see there is so many dots, but I would like to choose inside of this plane here. So I use the control button, I hold up the control, and then I just click, move my mouse at the center, click there, and then I also do the same thing, control, and then I click that one. So eventually there is a rigid. Okay, and then the second one I still using the join with the rigid. Okay, but this time I would like to use the cylindrical, so it means that they can move axial and then also rotating radially. So this one I choose the top surface, and then this one, and then I choose this plane here. Okay, this one. Okay, so they animate the joint movement. If you click play here, so they will move like that. Is call it cylindrical. They will move along the axis of Z. They can move along axis, and also they can move rotating about the axis of Z. Okay, and then I click OK, and then I put this part inside into this body here. So I still use the joint, but this one I use the rigid. So I put this center here, and also with the center over here. Wait. Okay, and then I click OK. Okay, so in this joint I still can move. First thing first, if you want to click and drag, so all the body will move. I undo. At the valve body, you have to put it ground. Okay, so they cannot move. There is a pin over there, is indicating that there is we grounded this part, so we can select and move the rotational here. Okay, we can rotate and we can move along the axis. Okay, if I open up my analysis, as you can see here, I can move that one. See, so basically if I rotate the screw here, they will be open, and then until they will move until the position over here. Okay, so that's why the chamfer previously in the body is important, because they will shut all the flowing fluid from here to the other, and then they will prevent to move. Okay. Okay, let's leave it like that. And then the second one, I would like to continue with this one. So this one basically is just also I continue. Okay. Yeah, capture position. So this one, I just click that surface, and then I will assemble with this center point here. Okay, yeah, perfectly match. And then I also want to use this one as a cylindrical. Okay, so they can move like this. Okay, and also can move. So if there is a fluid from here coming here, they can float and then pass through to the hole here and then go straight over there. But for flow from here, they will push this valve down, so the valve will shut, and then this function will be a non-return flow. Okay, and then I also can adjust the height of this valve within this particular part. Here is a valve stopper. That one, I put it over here. Okay, okay, so basically they just will stop over there. So this is the maximum opening, and if you can adjust this valve stop as you like, and then we can open up the flow and adjust the flow within this valve. Okay, okay, I will capture position. So basically the capture position is in the Fusion. If you move the position of the part, they will record. They will ask you whether you want to capture the moving position or you can refer back to the original position. In this case, some of the capturing position, if we already put the joint here, we don't need it anymore. So I basically just want to delete. See, if I delete, they will put back in the original position. This one as well. Okay, see, this one we can move, right? So if we move the parts, so they will ask whether they want to capture position or revert. If I click revert, so it will back to original. As well as here, previously I just accept, and then right now I will delete, so it will revert to the original position of the assembly. Okay, okay, I think that will be all for the assembly. It's a quick and easy. So now we are going to continue with the exploded view, which is in Fusion. We have the animation here. Okay, click design, animation. Okay, this is my previously I done it. So if you want to see, okay, they will animate all the position over there. Okay, and we can rewind. So we are going to the second. We click a new storyboard from the clean. Okay, this is storyboard 2. So what is the environment here? Basically, this is the slider. This slider is indicate the timing. Every one here is a 1 second, and then this one is a scratch zone. If you, let's say we going first from the camera, so if I put it at 1 second and then I move the position like this, so they will record the camera movement. So basically I just play, so the camera movement will move. Okay, but sometimes we don't want to each of the movement is recorded by the camera movement, so you can turn off while you are moving your part. Let's say if like here, so we can easily moving without any recording of this movement. So this is the basic of the view. Okay, or you can put your slider here, and then even though there is recording, but eventually this event is not recorded by the camera movement. My tips is, usually I will do the camera movement is later on. I want to use or maybe explode this position first thing first. So there is a auto explode. If I click auto explode, okay, if I click the assembly and then click the auto explode, so they will explode, but basically they just explode wherever they are. And then I not quite often use this one because I don't like it, because it's not natural. So I prefer with the, maybe if you want to use the auto explode like this, and then yeah, like that. Sometimes it's not as good as we wanted to do it, so I basically usually delete all. Okay, I use the manual mode. This one there is a manual transform. So first thing, I would like to set my timing first. I would like to use the 5 second for the show and hide. Okay, I will click that one and then I will show and hide. So during 5 seconds, okay, they will eventually stop. Yeah, here we can drag, so the transition will be smooth. Okay, like that. Okay, so at the first 1 second, I would like to move this valve to the position, yeah, maybe like that, and then I capture, and then I move again in the next 2 seconds, and then I will going back in -10, so back to the original position. So let me see. Okay, yeah, okay, so at the about 3 seconds, I will move my camera to the position here. Okay, this one, remove the camera, and then at the 4 seconds, I just want to move that spindle, go down here, and then at the 5 seconds, I will move back the spindle, go back to the original position. Okay, let me see. Okay, this one is simulating the function. Okay, I will make the camera. Okay, Okay, and then at the 6 second I will get back this valve body to open or to show. Okay, for smooth transition I just drag this one, so let me check. Okay, okay, and then go back. Okay, and then we move again. Here maybe I just want to move it like that. Okay, record, and then I just also want to transform this one, going out. Okay, if you want to have the trail visibility like that in the line, so you just turn on the trail, and then I also want to move that valve, the inside, going out. Okay, so basically these two things, they will move out together. See? Okay, okay, they will move out together. Okay, and then I will move the slider to the 7 seconds, and I also want to move all the way that one, and spindle, the 3 of all of those, go up. Okay, okay, I click. Okay, so they move. Okay, that one. So if I play, okay, and then add 1 more second and move all again 1 more time, but this one to this direction. Okay, and then add 1 more second and move this going down. Okay, and also this one going up. Okay, let me see. Okay, yes, and then going up over there, move down. Okay, perfect. Okay, and how about the camera movement? Is it good already? Okay, okay, yeah, I think it's good enough. Okay, now sometimes we want to do not only the disassembly, but we want to put it an assembly. So in here in the storyboard, you can right click and then there is a reverse. If you click a reverse, they will reverse the order from the unassembly until the assembly position. Okay, so you can reverse it back and forth as you like, and then this one you can reverse as well. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Now how we are going to publish this one? So let's say I just want to publish this one, the current storyboard. This is the video resolution, and then I just click OK, and then they will move to, sorry, save to the computer. Okay, Valve Accessories. Okay, and I will just click save. They will generate the video. It's depend on the length of the video, so, and your computer, how much it's calculating the progress. Okay, okay, let me check first for, yeah, this is the video that we previously published. Let me play. Okay, we move there, and then there will sub-assembly. Okay, one more thing, that if you look at the animation, so you just mentioned that all the part disassemble, but eventually this one is threaded. So how we can animate the rotation? So first thing, I just want to show you. Wait, I will edit the action. I put it maybe like here. Okay, so in this position, and I also can have the transition transform, and we can rotate, yeah, minus, and the direction should be taken into account. So minus 360, so they will rotate one time. So let's say I will want to rotate 3 times, so I multiply by 3 and I click OK, and as you can see there is another rotation. So if I play here, they move, and while they are rotating, they're going up. So, okay, I think it's all done. And then please give your comment to this video, and then we will do the next video in the more interesting topic. That this is the end of this topic. Thank you, and bye bye. Have a nice day.